In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Jotform branding from your forms. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Jotform branding section. Look for the option labeled Show Powered by Jotform on My Forms. If you're on a bronze, silver, gold, or enterprise plan, simply uncheck this option. Your changes will be saved automatically and the Jotform branding will be removed from your forms. If you're using the starter free plan, this option isn't available. You'll need to upgrade your account before you can remove the Jotform branding. After making the change, open one of your published forms or refresh the page where it's embedded to confirm that the Powered by Jotform label has been removed. That's how to remove Jotform branding from your forms. Thanks for watching.